Hey, what's up? Damian here, and we're going to be talking about how to use your AWeber or your autoresponder to send a message out to your list. There are two types of messages, and we're going to be talking about those. There are autoresponder messages that you can set up to go out automatically, and then you have broadcast messages that are messages that you can type up and send out just as a broadcast, just like a special news announcement or something like that. You use those when you learn about a product or something that will move your list further along, or your subscribers further along, toward their goals, or solve the problems that they have. So the first training we talked about how to build a squeeze page, and I took you guys through the steps on how to do that. And then the last training, I took you through how to connect that squeeze page to the autoresponder. So today we're going to be talking about how to send a message. So what you want to do is, once you're in your AWeber account, you want to go to whatever list that you're going to be using, and you use this drop down arrow, a drop down list, there to select your particular list. And in the last training, I created that test 007 list, so that's why we're using that list. So if you didn't see that training, you can go back to that on YouTube and look at that on my channel. So anyways, so the first thing you want to do is you want to click over here, hover your cursor over messages. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to send out automatic messages or autoresponder messages, because you want to make sure that you send a message to your subscribers immediately once they once they sign up for your list. So in order to do that, you want to hover over the messages, and then you want to go down to legacy follow-up series. You want to click on that. You can see I don't have any follow-up messages. If I did have follow-up messages, it would say what messages, the title of the messages, or message, or how many ever I have in there. It would list that, and I'll show you that after we actually create a message. So what I want to do is I want to just click on drag and drop builder. That's the most popular. As you can see there, it says most popular there. And then your very first message out to your list is going to be a welcome aboard message. So you're going to go up here in your subject line, and you want to say something like welcome aboard. You can put thanks for signing up, something like that. Spelled aboard wrong, fix that. And then you can put here, hi, my name is Damian Ellis, and I would like to welcome you to my team. Great having you here. Stick around because you'll find great value daily in your inbox. So that's just a test message. That message can say anything you want to want it to say. If you're linking them to a training or something like that, you can do that. If you, let's say for instance, you wanted to link them to a training, all you would have to do is put like training you opted in for is here. And in order to do that, all you have to do is to create what's called a hyperlink there. So I would highlight this here, or I could do this whole entire line here, and I click on this hyperlink, and then I just put in here, I'm just going to put google.com, https / google.com. There. Okay, so I've just hyperlinked that. if I had a training that I was sending these people to, obviously I'd put that URL to the training there, and then I just click OK there. If I click off of that, you can see that now that that's blue because that's a hyperlink. And then all we do is we come down here and we click on Save and Exit. So now I've created this message. This is a message that's going to go out to people when they first sign up. The reason why I know it's going to go out as soon as they sign up is because, again, we clicked on Legacy Follow-Up Series. That's the autoresponder messages. And now in my Legacy Follow-Up Series, why do I have that? And I save that. And let's see here. Where is that message here? Drag and drop builder. I'm going to go back. I'm not sure what happened to that. Let me see that. Messages. Okay, here we go. Right here. Okay. So I'm going to delete this one because that saved. I don't know why, but anyways, I'm in there. So you can see the message that I created. It's right here. I always hover over this, make sure it shows a pointer. That means that it hyperlinked properly over there. And then I want to go to Send Options, and I want to click on Add to Follow-Up Series. Again, these are automatic follow-up messages that are going to go out to your list automatically whenever you set them. So I clicked Add to Follow-Up Series, and this says follow-up number 1 is a welcome message your subscribers will get immediately after signing up. So what that means is immediately after they opt into your list on your capture or your opt-in page or your landing page or whatever you want to call it, they're going to receive this message. So then I just click Add to Follow-Up Series. Okay. And it just says success, saving your settings. So now what I want to do after this one saves is I want to show you how to create another message there. So now I've got this one message here. So let's say, for instance, the very first day that they sign up to your list, they're going to get this welcome aboard message here. But 2 days later, let's say, for instance, or 1 day later, you want to send another message. You click on that there, and then I insert my subject here. It can be whatever you want. I'm just going to put this as day 2, so you can see that that's what this message is going to say when we pull it up. And then I'm going to write in here, have you checked out the free training that I sent yet? That's my message. If not, check it out here. Again, now I'm going to hyperlink this again by highlighting that, clicking on that, and then I'm going to go google.com. And I don't know why that did that, but let me make sure here. I'll click on this again and click OK. So I'm going to click off that, and you can see it change there to blue and underlined, which means there's a link attached to that. So I'm going to hit Save and Exit. And now I have a day 2 autoresponder message. So what I can do is I can click on the Send options. That means I'm going to select when I want this to go out. I'm going to click to Add to Follow-Up Series, and this message is going to be sent, follow-up number 2 sent 1 day after the previous message. Now, the previous message that it's referring to is the message that was the day 1 message that they received, your subscriber received as soon as they opted into your squeeze page. But I'm going to put on here that I want it sent 3 days after they opted into my list. So I'm just going to put 3 there, and then I'm going to click Add to Follow-Up Series there. And now that particular message is going to go out 3 days after this welcome aboard message that they received. So it's just that simple. So now we've got that down. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a broadcast message. Again, a broadcast message is a message that you're going to create. Let's say, for instance, all of a sudden you get you find out about a great new, your niche is golfing, and you find out about a great new golf swing product that's going to help your subscribers improve their golf swing. You might want to create a message and tell your list about it. So you click on drag and drop builder under create message. You're going to go over here and put check out. Again, you can put anything you want there. Check out this great new golf swing course there. And then you just put in here whatever you want. Great new golf swing course here. I probably wouldn't put that, but I'm just showing you would just simply type in your message there, and then you want to, again, you want to hyperlink it to whatever whatever URL that, you know, the sales page for that golf course, or that brand new course that's going to help them improve their golf swing is. You want to put that URL there. So again, I'm just using google.com there just for the sake of, you know, just to show you how it works. And then I'm going to click OK there, and then I'm going to click save and exit. And now I'm going to see the send options here. I'm going to go down here and I want to schedule a broadcast. I'm not adding this to my automatic emails that are going out. This is something that I just learned about. I think it's going to help my subscribers move closer to their goals. So I'm going to click on schedule a broadcast, and it's going to say, do you want to share this message? Don't worry about that right now, because that's for a different training. But you want to select who should receive this message. Current list, test 007. These are your subscribers that are interested in your golf niche. For example, your list, you're building a golf business. You might have several lists. Some might be interested in golf, some might be interested in make money online, some might be interested in something else. But you want to use that current list, test 007, because you know that those people are interested in golf. So you don't want to send a golf course out to people that are interested in making money online, because they're going to be like, why are you sending this to me? I don't even like golf. Golf sucks. It's boring, or whatever. You can schedule it when you want to send it. It can be sent immediately. If I were to click send message now, it would go out to my entire list of subscribers that are interested in the golf niche. Or if I wanted to send it later on in the day, like right now it's 11:08 a.m. But let's say, for instance, I wanted to send this later on today, like at 4 p.m. or something like that. I could just change that up right there, click apply right there, and then you see here it says schedule message for Tuesday, February the 6th, 2018, 4 p.m. there. And I would simply click on this here, and now it's saving my settings, and you can see there scheduled for 2/6 at 4 p.m. Eastern time. So it's just as simple as that to create a broadcast message. And again, this broadcast message that you're going to be sending out can be sent to all the people that are on your list at the same time. It doesn't matter if it's one person, 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, 10,000, a million. It doesn't make any difference. When you click that schedule, it's going to go out to all those subscribers. So again, I hope this helps you out. What I think I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how to run some traffic to that squeeze page, because that's the last part of the puzzle. Once you have a product selected, once you have a squeeze page, you've connected that squeeze page to your autoresponder, you know how to use your autoresponder to send messages out and things like that. Now all you have to do is learn how to run traffic. So I hope this was clear for you. I hope this helped you out. If it wasn't clear, if I skipped everything or anything at all, just shoot me a comment or respond to this email, and I'll get right back to you and answer your question to the best of my ability. Again, I say it all the time. If you want all this done for you, if you don't want to fool with, fixing all of this up, getting all of this put together, your squeeze page, connecting it to your autoresponder, if you don't want to think about what messages to send out and things like that, you can have it all done for you by just clicking on the link that's in this description, or clicking on the link in this email, and it'll show you down below in the email, seven-figure income dot life. That's the URL, and it'll take you to the fastest growing, probably the fastest, if not one of the fastest growing, done for you $1 million businesses that are online right now. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video in the next couple of days when I show you how to run traffic. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.